Kindly subscribe to our channel by pressing this red button below your video, red subscribe button below your video. And after subscribing, kindly click this bell button to ensure that you are updated. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will see Scenario Manager, which is one of the most important function in MS Excel. Scenario Manager, basically what it does is you can give it a scenario, and depending on that scenario changing values, it will give you the result. It will predict the output. So thereby you can do the calculation and find it out that what actually is working for you, what is not working for you. Like, and ensure that in Scenario Manager you should not include any calculation. Suppose here in this example, just a sample example where we take some ingredients to make up a food item, let's say. So the cost for that ingredient, let's say if we take rupees 80 rupees 80 ingredients, so the amount of gas that will be consumed will be rupees 20, sugar will be consumed rupees 25, so total cost of making will be 125. So we are expecting to make 7 packets out of these ingredients which we will make, and price per packet will be 20. So total revenue that we will be earning will be 140. Thereby we will be making a profit of rupees 15. Now if I want to check that what value of ingredient if I can increase, or depending on the number of kgs or something like that, and simultaneously we will increase these two, what could be the output and what benefit we could earn from the same. For that, what you will have to do, first you have to choose all non-calculated rows which are used to do the final calculation. So all non-calculated rows are selected, which is affecting the final calculation. Now you will go to data and go to what if analysis, and in what if analysis you will find Scenario Manager.
So you'll go to Scenario Manager. In Scenario Manager, you need to add the values. First the value which right now is, and then the value which you in fact want. So first I click on add. Initially the Scenario Manager, I give it the name as original value, because this is the value which is there in my current sheet. And after giving this a name, I click OK. So it gives me the values, that these are the values which are there. I say OK. So see, my first scenario is created. Now I'm going to create second scenario. Second scenario will be inflated scenario. Inflated, I give it a name inflated 1. So it will automatically take the cell number which we have given the last one. So I'll say OK. Now I will do the inflated. Let's say number 1, if I increase the ingredients from 80 to 180, gas consumption will not increase much, it will increase by marginal, maybe 30. Sugar consumption will be also be increased by triple 75. Packets that will be made, so since we are already more than doubling the stuff, so packet that I am expecting to make will be 15.
And this is price which I am trying to make it up, so I will not be changing this factor. So this is scenario 2. Now let us come up with scenario 3. Add inflation 3, inflated 2, everything remains the same. Okay, here I change to it to maybe 500. I mean the ingredient cost is 500. Consumption will be same, almost 50. Sugar consumption may reach to 100. Price that could be made will be I hope around 40 packets, and I will say okay. So now these 3 scenarios we have created. Now see, this is the original value which we are having. The moment we are clicking on the scenarios, the value is automatically changing, and whenever we are clicking on this, the value is automatically changing. Now after this, if we actually want to check it out, the entire stuff here also the calculation is being made. Suppose in inflation 2 it is saying that you can make a profit of rupees 150, while in original values we were making a profit of rupees 15. So what if I want to actually depict the whole picture and see the summary of it? We can just go and click on summary, and in summary you need to give this final result column, that this is the final result which is coming up, and then click on scenario summary, and then click on OK. See, this is the final summary which exactly is being given to you. See, here it says that you can even change the value ingredient then is gas or something like that, sugar, packets, price, although price could have been removed from our calculation. So now this scenario is very much clearly depicted. It is very much clearly saying this current values was giving us a profit, and this is profit. So it is saying me that inflation 2 is something which you can really work on. It is giving you the current profit which you actually require. So by doing this, we can actually understand that okay, this is something which could be used, this scenario, this much ingredient will be used, and this is what the benefit you are going to get out of those scenarios. So scenario manager does the trick of doing the what if analysis for you. Done. Meet you again in the next video.